In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to backtest on MetaTrader 5 on PC. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up MetaTrader 5 like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to log into your account by opening an account or log into a trade account. From here, once you've done that, it should look something like this. And from here, you'll need to go up to the menu again and click View, and then down to Strategy Tester. You can also click Ctrl+R on your keyboard as a shortcut to get this overview up here. From here, you'll be able to choose the specific strategy that you want to test, overall strategy that you want to test. And you can choose between single indicators, visualize, stress and delays, complete optimization, genetic optimization, forward optimization, market scanner, or math calculation, and view previous result. From here, you'll just need to choose the specific one that is most suitable for you and just click on it. From here, you'll need to choose an expert, and you can choose all of the different experts that you have inside of your library. So just click on the one that you want to test. Then from here, you'll need to add a symbol. And for this tutorial, I'm just going to use EURUSD. And you can also change it by clicking over here to more descriptive of symbol. From here, you'll also be able to add in a date where you can choose between its entire history, last month, last year, or a custom period that you can configure over here. You'll also be able to add a forward where you can choose between all of these options, then add a date if you want to do that. You can add delays, modeling, where you can model every tick based on real ticks, 1 minute OHLC, open prices only, or math calculation. You'll also be able to add a deposit where you can change the currency over here and add a leverage if you want to do that. You can also add an optimization if you want to do that, and you can change it to visual mode with the display of charts, indicators, and trades, and you can also choose profit and pips for faster calculation. Once you are done all of this and need to start this backtest, you'll need to go over to the right hand side where it says start, and once you click start, you will see that it is starting. You can also manually stop it by clicking stop over here again, and then you'll hear a little plim. But after it has backtested successfully, you'll be able to go over to the backtest and see all of these options over here. You'll be able to see the graph, the agents, and you'll also be able to add it into your journal. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!